Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to make date bars. This recipe is very simple and doesn't even require baking. So it's all a matter of putting all the ingredients together. And that's all there is to it. This recipe is a very good fit for the month of Ramadan because it's packed with nutrition. And those of you who are not doing Ramadan, this is still a very good snack, and also it makes a delicious dessert. So if this is what you're looking for, please continue to watch, and I'm going to make this delicious and simple recipe in a minute. Thank you for watching.
First thing that you need to do is to melt your chocolate and coconut oil together, and you can use a double broiler or you can use something simple like I'm using here. This is the consistency of chocolate that we are looking for. You don't want it too liquidy, so this is how we want it, a little bit thick. In a food processor, put dates, almonds, walnuts, almond butter, rose water, and salt until it comes together. This is how our mixture should look like. This is what you're looking for. So stop blending at this point. Transfer into a parchment paper and knead until it comes together. You want to make it into a square shape. I have sprayed an 8-inch cake pan with olive oil and put parchment paper so the chocolate doesn't stick to the pan. Press and make a square shape. Spread your melted chocolate in the bottom of the pan, and this can be a little sloppy, but don't worry about it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just spread it out and try to smooth it out, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You can leave it sloppy and it will work out just fine. Refrigerate this for 10 to 15 minutes. Place your square on the chocolate, press gently, and smooth out the surface. Spread out chocolate on top of this and smooth out, and make sure everything is coated evenly. Leave this in the fridge for 40 to 45 minutes. can cut this in any shape that you prefer.
Hi, welcome back, and here's our date bars, or you can call it date bars. It was very simple to make, so let's try one and see how it is. Absolutely delicious, very sweet, has the natural sweetness of fruit, and it has a little bit crunchiness from the nuts. And as I said, this is very nutritious and packed with all sorts of vitamins. Please try this recipe. It's very simple to make, and leave comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. And until next time, this is Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.